In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add accessories to your avatar in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now you can go ahead and customize your avatar by adding accessories on the head or any part of the body. And to do this, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then head down here to avatar and tap on it. Now you can see your current avatar. And here we have quite a number of options we can change. We can change the avatar itself, the body, clothings, and another option is accessories. If we tap on accessories, here are some of the free and paid accessories that we can change or we can use on our avatar. And there are many. For instance, we can go ahead and add shades. So if I tap on shades here, you can see they'll be added instantly. And now look at our character. You can also go ahead and add this hat. So if I tap on it, look at that, instantly it will be added. Wow, and that looks great. So once you are done, now go ahead and tap on free and then get, and this will be applied on your avatar instantly. So that's how you can apply or add accessories to your avatar in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.